আসসালামু আলাইকুম। এই ভিডিওতে আমরা রহিমের ডেইলি রুটিন সম্পর্কে জানবো। তো চলেন আমরা গল্পের মাধ্যমে সেটা শুরু করি। রহিম is a student. He lives in a small village with his parents. Every morning, Rohim wakes up at 6 o'clock. He brushes his teeth and washes his face. Then he takes a bath and wears his school uniform. At 7 o'clock, Wahid eats breakfast. He usually eats rice and vegetables. After breakfast, he packs his school bag. At 7:30, he goes to school with his friends. His school is not far from his house. He walks to school every day. Classes start at 8 o'clock. Rohim listens to his teacher and writes in his notebook. He likes English and math very much. At 1 o'clock, school ends. Rohim comes home and has lunch. Then he takes a short nap. In the afternoon, he plays football with his friends in the field. In the evening, he does his homework and studies. At night, he watches TV with his family. At 9:30, he eats dinner. After dinner, he reads a storybook and goes to bed at 10 o'clock. Rahim is a good boy. He always his daily routine.